Now let's speak about Honorable Babu Owino, akiwa ni moja kati ya wabunge ambao wameweza kujitoa na kuweza kusema kwamba ingawa yeye ni wa kutokea katika mrengo wa Azimio la Umoja, ataweza kumuunga mkono kinara wake wa ODM Raila Amolo Odinga katika siasa za kuweza kuwa na mazungumzo baina ya Raila Odinga naye sio mwingine ila ni Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya William Ruto. Babu Owino amesema it doesn't matter Raila Odinga, you cannot take this away from these young men and women who gave their life to fight for their future. And you think that we will sit down and support you? We won't back you up on this. We won't stand with you on this. We will stand with the people of the Republic of Kenya because most of them gave their lives for the cause. Now, let's get back to this story. Honorable Babu Owino, the Embakasi East Member of Parliament, Babu Owino's decision to reject Raila Odinga and ODM party resolution to support President William Ruto's regime has caused excitement on social media, with Azimio Principal Martha Karua also weighing in, choosing to be on the same side with Kenyans who have protested against the regime. Babu Owino noted that he is ready for whatever consequences his decision may attract. He says, my decision is to be with the people. I will not support this de facto government no matter the consequences. The MP declared, signaling open rebellion against a position taken by his ODM party leader, Honorable Raila Odinga. Now, NARC party leader Martha Karua welcomed the lawmakers' bold decision, noting that it is the way to go. Way to go, son, the NARC Kenya leader stated on Saturday morning. Now, Raila's decision to back the Kenya Kwanza regime that has been under siege from Kenyans demanding greater accountability from the government, aid to corruption and better governance, has placed him on a coalition path with his core principles in Azimio, as well as his supporters who view him as a traitor. All other Azimio principles have rejected joining Kenya Kwanza's proposed government of national unity, a position that reflects the standpoint of the various political parties that they lead. Kalonzo Musyoka made it clear that Wiper, Jubilee, DAP, K, PNU, NARC Kenya remain united and will not participate in the Kenya Kwanza proposed broad-based government. Now, according to the Wiper party boss, the move will be betrayal to Gen Zs. While Raila Odinga has warmed up to the Ruto regime, including endorsing its move for an inclusive cabinet, Azimio leaders have made it clear that anyone who joins the government will be doing so as an individual and not as Azimio. President William Ruto announced on 11 nominees for his cabinet on Friday, July 19th. And these also became a subject of discussion all over the social media. But a lot of Kenyans are saying this is a bold move by Babu Owino. Babu Owino is cementing his foundation for the opposition politics in the years to come. Babu Owino is preparing to take over as the opposition leader. Remember, also, Kalonzo Musyoka could not take any position that was offered to him by His Excellency William Ruto because Kalonzo Musyoka knows, once I get in bed with this man, I will be of no use to Kenyans. And Kalonzo Musyoka's plan is to make sure that he becomes the running mate. He becomes the man that will be running for the presidency come the year 2027. But with this endorsement by the government, these will deny him bonga points to campaign on the bad governance of President William Ruto. For now, that's what's up. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, FM Show KE. See you in the next video.